What's up, guys? Cody again, coming back with another midweek update. Just going to go over the pairs that I personally traded and sent out to the group chat. There are more trades or more pairs in the group chat. If you want to take a look at that, just scroll up and you can compare it to the chart at the moment. I will end up adding all the wins and losses at the end of the week. Excuse me. But let's go ahead and get into this. First thing that I actually want to look at is whatever this one is, UChef, which that is not the setup. The setup is right here. UChef setup. So now April 13th. We don't really want to look at the screenshot of the result. We got an impulse here. We got an expanding triangle here. Entered there for a sell with about a 34 pip stop loss, I believe it was. I'm looking for price to come down to this kill zone. Now, yesterday I told you guys to close it. Actually, and that is the reason I had that screenshot up here. So you guys closed at about 65 pips because I was seeing a descending channel, which was like in that zone that I was looking to take profit in. This descending channel right here, and it was really close to take profit. I was like, would I rather get this extra, like, not even 0.5%, or have price come all the way back down and take the entire 3% that I was looking to gain? And I was like, let me just close. So I decided to close, told everyone to close, and we got 65 pips on that pair. Let's actually look at the chart now. And it did exactly what I expected it to do. It did not come down to our take profit level, turn around before then. And before we look at the next setup, let's continue looking at the updates or the screenshots we had. Okay, Euro USD, impulse, expanding triangle, came right to the kill zone. Got a second entry on this one, and just looking for that buy. I was looking for a very, very strong push, but price, I mean, it wasn't really pushing this week as much as I expected. It did come up, give us a few pips, and around this area, we got another ascending channel. I closed one of the positions on my personal account, but left the other one open, so I did not send out that update because I was like, I still see this as strong potential, and I'm looking for this to correct. Didn't give us a correct pattern. Actually came back down to our break even, and I believe I still have the profit loss still on here. Yeah, it came back down to our break even here. So if you didn't move your stop loss to break even, I'm telling you right now, close your trade. It's not worth staying in. It's moving too impulsively down. We're just going to be looking for a correction and looking to sell off, which I'll mark up after we finish CAD JPY. But any questions over those two, or did all that make sense? Hello?
That makes sense.
Thank you. CAD JPY. CAD JPY sent out a buy for it. Okay, got this impulse here, looking for a corrective pattern. Honestly, with the setup, I could have been a little bit more patient with price actually getting closer to this trend line and possibly even lowering this kill zone down to this level. But it is what it is. Came down to our zone, saw opportunity to enter, so we took the opportunity, and it stopped us out. All right. So our first, I believe our entry was about right here. This is our entry, and it finally stopped us out here. And let me make sure that gets right. Nope. The first area I had it was correct, just on a lower time frame. There you go. Yeah. So it ended up stopping us out, and something that was pointed out to me yesterday as well. If we zoom out, let's go to our 8 hour. Go to our 8 hour. One thing that I should have been paying attention to is right here, this level right here. Prices come up to twice and 3 times now, and it's respected pretty nicely. All right, so I would have given us some indication to sell. Also, no, that uptrend. If I were to draw an uptrend here, I wouldn't consider this a impulsive break. I would consider this a corrective break. So I would still be looking at this as a correction. But this deterrent right here, this essentially supply zone, since we're on the 8-hour, tell me the market's looking to come down. So let's clear that up, and we'll look for a new setup on all those. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the midweek update so far. We caught 0 pips on Euro USD. We caught about 65 pips on USHF. We're up, I believe, or we were up at least 300 pips on AU. Let's check how many. That's unfortunate. I think I deleted this for a student. But we entered right here on AU. And right now where we're at is, yeah, we're still up about 300 pips. I'll get the exact coordinates on all those so I don't like add extra pips or even add less than what's needed. But yeah, so we're probably chilling around 200 pips for the week right now. I know we lost AJ for 31 pips. So when we add all those up, we'll figure out what we got. But appreciate you guys watching. If you guys do want to see these charts like every single week, I do post them in my Discord chat, in my Discord server. So if you want to be plugged into the Discord server, just go ahead in the description, click the link below for Discord. I also have a trading psychology playlist if you guys want to listen to Mark Douglas or figure out how you should actually be thinking while trading. There are a ton of different videos in there that I've organized for you guys. But yeah, appreciate you watching. Hope to see you soon.